here today I'm gonna be doing a Curly Queen kit review, as you see by the title, and I have it in my hand right now. But first, if you don't know what a Curly Queen kit is, it's not really a known thing. Basically, if you know what like Ipsy is, or like a Smashbox or something like that, if not, it's basically a subscription that you do monthly, and it's $10 for like Ipsy. I know it's $10. I used to do Ipsy, and it's basically where you get a bunch of makeup samples or like product samples in like a little bag that comes every month. So it's like a present every month, and I like presents, so getting one every month, don't mind if I do. I just playing, but basically Ipsy, you get this bag every month, and it has like makeup products, and you pay $10 a month for it, which isn't bad at all for what you get. But I canceled that because I wanted to try some other things, and I don't wear makeup that much except for when I'm doing videos or pictures or something like that. So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of busted because I already done jacked the box up, but it came cute, and it says Curly Queen kit, and you open it up, and it said, you open it up and it says welcome to royalty, because we are queens out here. You are a queen out here. Crowns with your curls, girl. It comes and it's all like neat and wrapped. Expose the secret. And then you open it, and it has like a couple of papers. So for this one, it says basically they just started doing a like merch for it, like merchandise, and you can get like shirts from them and stuff like that. So I will be ordering like probably one or two. I know I'm getting like a length shirt so I can see how long my hair's gotten. I've always wanted to get one of those, so I will be doing that. And then they have like some that says Curly Queen on it, yada yada. So I'm gonna be doing that because I feel like that would be cool to rate my Curly Queen kits in the Curly Queen kit shirt, you feel me? So I'm gonna be doing that. And then I guess I don't know, this is my first box, so I got it in February. So they sent me this. I'm thinking it's because of Valentine's Day is coming up this week. Guys, come on. Valentine's Day is coming up this week, and so it has a bunch of hearts on it, and basically it says, run it back. So it says, you are beautiful, you are sometimes neat. Some people can grow you down to their feet. So many different textures, types, and turns. It's about time more people learn. Your curls are unique, your curls stand out. You sure get more stands when you are out and about. Hey. So wear your crown high and wear it proud, because you have a head full of curls that's breaking necks all around. We breaking necks out here, girls. So yeah, that's cute. And then it comes with this. You are a queen, it crowns with your curls, and it has winter hair care tips that you must know on the back. I'm not gonna read all this to y'all because this video will be like 80,000 minutes long, because I read slow sometimes, like anyways. So there's that, and it can I speak, please? Okay. So basically, it came with the Cantu natural hair deep treatment hair mask made with shea butter. So this is it. Got a hair on my eyelash. So this is it. This is just a little pack that you can try, which is cute. And then it came with this little bar of soap, and it is a feminine wash. So then it came with this. It's a Cantu leave-in conditioner repair cream. This is all with like natural hair products, so there's nothing that's gonna harm me. But I did think they did say that it was like full-size products. Trust me, I know what the full-size one is because I have it. Okay, there's a difference. But it's fine. I'm not tripping. It's cool because I need more of that anyway. So Then I have this chocolate kinks and curls, and it's a cocoa cream clay wash, and it says removes dirt and toxins, but leaves your hair so soft you can't be sure if you'll need a conditioner. And I don't know how to describe the smell. It smells like chocolate, I guess. Chocolate and cocoa, which I guess makes sense because it's a chocolate brand and a cocoa cream. So there you go. So there's that, and then it came. God, let me just take a nap. Then it came. I already said I filmed this, so I already got it open. But 15 plastic caps. So if you're doing like your hot oil treatments and stuff like that, this will be good for you because keep the heat in. So it came with 15, so you got enough to get you going, girl. But yes, so just one more explanation on what exactly this is. It's just basically get you to your natural hair journey. I don't straighten my hair that much because when you're trying to get your hair how you want it to be, putting heat is just gonna be a setback for you. So I don't straighten it that much. I've straightened it let's see, we're in February. I straightened it a couple weeks ago, and that's the first time I straightened it since October. So I don't straighten it that much. I only straighten it to see how long it's gotten, just my length change, and basically stuff like that. So we are done for this video today. This was my February Curly Queen kit, and yeah, but it's $25 a month, but you do get it said 4 to 6 products or accessories, so you get that. And if you think about it, my curly girls know if you get 2 products, you're already spending probably $25 anyway. So just to think 4 to 6, it's a good deal. It's just I don't know if you want that coming out your bank every month, because you do have to pay for the shipping as well. So the total is $30 every month. So and I think it says something if you're in California, it's like extra. I don't know why, but or if you're in some certain area, I think. But yeah, that's it for today, and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. If y'all want to see more of these what is this thing called? Curly Queen kit videos, if I can speak, please. If y'all want to see more of these videos, y'all just let me know, and I'm gonna be rating some more products and things like that, so y'all just let me know what y'all think. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my Instagram here. This is my only social media that I really care about at the moment, because whatever. So this is my Instagram right here. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on that. That's really the only main social media platform that I'm really on, besides like Snapchat, but whatever. Y'all just follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, see you next time. Okay.